Hello, John Rohr here with the Unity 2D game tutorial. And so basically the only thing I'm going to talk to you about is enemy scripts today. And so I've been working with my scripts, and you've seen I had a script where my enemies would detect if there was no ground uh, at the end of a platform, and then it would turn around. Well, now I finally got it to where I have a script where it'll turn around if it detects a wall. And you've also seen my enemy jumping script where it'll jump to the left until it reaches a certain destination on the map and then turns around. Well, so basically I have three different scripts now, and so one is the jumping script, the other is wall detection script, and the third one is uh no ground detection script. So in the next few weeks, because we're wrapping things up in the next month, and I'm getting pretty close to hitting my hours, I'm gonna be basically messing with my enemy script and my enemy scripts and trying to find ways to make it so I can detect walls and detect whether or not there's ground below. Just basically trying to blend the scripts, and so I can get like one super functioning enemy character script instead of like three slightly dumb ones, because with the three as they are now, they each have their own little bugs that kind of come with them, and there's aspects to each one that where like I wish I had this component for this script, and vice versa. So in the next few weeks, I think for the rest of the game, I'm going to be working on my enemy scripts to make sure that I can get some really good functioning enemy scripts. And so in my next video, I'll go over my scripts, and that'll be it. So thank you for your time.